Kinong snong jo kasnong Mukroh ki badang haka arpu atrek jong obnai ubalala. Kili i ya ka jingklan yap jong ki sangot ki prasnong ki jong ki. Kili i angot na ki kila masaujor bala ket cho hospital rengkat berki gui deru. Ki bala mansau malumala. Makamjur kili i ya ka jinglinkin kasnam ya ka jengo hiarthma jong ki pulit asam haka te ki snong haka te ki tarik. Ngadu ketika por ki pai ba kila ema prang ke jing red mensim. Wana preng ke jing wan jong ki pulit wala pha da kasokar jela Meghalaya. Nei ka Assam kala teibiang sa sisien ya ka bid house ko dana po Mukroh ka pen i baka dang pen i bor hi hakate ka snong. Kumta namar ka ne ka jing red mensim ya kinang snong. Namar ka jing patnut ke jong ki banet cha ki bri kilang kha ba ki jakarep. Kinongilam jong ka snong kha ka khat khanda tarik menta ubnai kilawan mat ki shalong. Ta ka jing thmu ban le Kynduh ya kinongilam jong ka sarkar kenthop ya umati rang ba ka jela. Man panya ke Jingïalang bat kamtam man kentui u banwara ya ke jing songsok ke jing songsngan hakate kisnong ke jongki hanai nak liang jong mutirang ba chimna dan por menja Kynduh yaki ban tang hadin khendiat por la yu i ba mutirang ba ukon ra sang ma ubalong ru national president jo kaseng National People's Party uladan hakajalang blokhat pelong da kaseng NPP hapo madan jorong hep nakam taban priang smobha yai Dr. Amparin Lengdo ibalamino na kaseng kongres marwan yaso bakaseng NPP kani kabu ke jingkeli yaki babun kumno umti rangba khan snap ya ke jing songs ear ya ke jing red masim yaki pai ba apo Mukroh penban udon kapor anai chaka Jingïalang jong kaseng kabalong hi hanong ba shalong hakaju kasni kabu ke jingkeli ru lahatu kani ka sarkar ka bamenta kadon sisa ke jing kit kli ka Shim sisa na man pe ya ka jong song sia ki pai ba ki basong ha ke than khaput ki pai ba bat ki ngalam snong na po Mukroh ki ha man le phano sali ye samde Kynduh yo mutirang ba rengkat ru bakata ka jong song sia tamde peteng ka snong ka jong ki namar ba kim simlayo ya Kynduh ya ki he ki han jo ka sarkar
nagada ba besar harga jingkun kam jeng jingimla ban yo ban Kynduh ta ila ban Shim appointment pada kowe lo he ka Kynduh ka phangi te pilatif akat kum kutu Jingïalang ka partre ba ka sarkar Assam gala sedang biang ban shna ban maramot biang ye kutu ka forest bid house jong Kynduh long ke jing kuat jong iban Kynduh bat turu long halor hutan.
Individuals who are sitting here on the dais today, and if you see, there is a connection from a very long time between the people who are sitting out here on the stage. It was almost as if we were always meant to be together. It's almost as if we have been together in the past. Whether it is a generation before us, when late P.A. Sangma, late Peter Marbanyang, even our other senior leaders who are present here on the dais, worked shoulder to shoulder, worked together to take today, not only in the hearts and minds of the leaders, but of each and every member of East Shillong, of West Shillong, and also of Narpu area. Be a political party that will get single majority in the assembly. It is possible. And it is this hope and this possibility that has brought each and every one of us together out here. In the last 5 years, we faced numerous challenges. I don't even have to count them. They are countless. And challenges which some of them the world has never seen before. and yet we kept going. There was a sense of purpose in our minds. Every time Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Honorable Member of Parliament of Rajya Sabha, Mas Jingïalang and the rest of us, every time we used to sit down and discuss, when these challenges came in front, there was only one thing that guided us, one thing only, and that is the people of our state. We resolved every time that anything and everything we do will be for the people of our state. The interest of the people of our state is paramount to us, and nothing else comes even close to that. And that purpose is what drove us to ensure that sometimes tough decisions were taken. Sometimes we also decided that we need to listen to the will of the people. We decided to talk to the